Hey, welcome to today's video. Today we are doing... I can't lift it up, it's so heavy. Amanda's weak today. The Allure Beauty Box for June. Wanna see what's in there? Stay back. Take a break with us. No. So if you don't know the Allure Beauty Box, I don't think they say like a set number of items, do they? I don't think they do.
I don't know. You're the one that signed up for it first.
I know.
Followed you.
But it's $15 a month, and so far I've liked it. Oh yeah, what are you? Oh, you signed up for a year. Okay.
Yes, I did. I paid for it all up front.
So I signed up for it monthly because I wasn't sure if I wanted a whole year of it, and it was supposed to be. They say it's $15 a month, but your first month you get for $10. But they still keep charging me just $10. So I'm not gonna complain.
Flat
10? $10.60. So
and
10
how many
plus
times has it
tax.
been now?
This is the third time. So I'm like, I'm not going to complain because I'm not going to ask because it's cheaper.
You should look it up because I wonder if maybe it was because you never got anything from me being referred.
Right.
You were supposed to get a gift set.
Right.
Hair
Yes,
stuff,
I
hair
was.
spray.
Yep.
And I got some weird random from them face cream, no explanation. I don't know if it was for signing up or if I had, because you know how you can win stuff. There's giveaways all the time, and I signed up for so many giveaways. I don't know.
Right.
But I just came and I paid for the year flat out. I don't think I got a discount or anything. I mean, you do when you get a disc. You pay ahead, you get that, but I don't think I got anything off the first box or anything. So,
I don't know. It's interesting.
just have to look into what codes are out there and what offers are out there. I guess.
Right. I'm just been surprised every time I look and I see it come out. I think the first time I was a little concerned because you can drink on camera.
And he's like, I hate where you have to edit all the time.
Nope.
I drive me to drink.
Probably. Okay, I gotta get this lip gloss out from underneath my leg because it actually hurts.
I get lip gloss.
Because I don't want to forget it.
Anyway. In the picture.
Okay.
I'm just torturing her. We tried so hard to make sure the background was lovely and
not all cluttered looking.
What are you saying about my house?
I haven't seen anything about your house. Have you seen my house lately? Because it's a mess.
We're just carefully filming the spot that's not cluttered.
Yes. Like, literally, I don't need a step stool to get to the top of my closet because that's how big the laundry pile is on the floor right now.
Nice.
I can just stand on the laundry pile to reach things on the top of the closet right now. And I'm like, maybe this is convenient.
That's terrible.
But that's how much laundry we have to fold. Anyway.
Is it clean?
Yeah, it is clean. So, we do pretty good at washing it. It's just getting it put away. That's the issue. So, it's supposed to be $15 a month. Let's get back to the box and not the laundry.
That's what we're talking about.
So, I've liked it so far.
I do.
Yeah. So, this is what it looks like on the inside. See lots of little tubey things in here.
Tubey things. What is Bobble Bar? Oh, that must be jewelry subscriptions or something.
Oh, huh.
Or maybe it's not a subscription. It's just a jewelry company. Interesting.
So it's a $20 gift.
Yeah, that's what it says. Towards your full price order.
Interesting.
And it looks like everything in that picture is $42, so.
Okay.
It's kind of cute.
Yeah.
Interesting. Probably will never manage to look at it. But.
So this is, what is this?
Do you have a different booklet than I do?
No. My booklet's over here. I have this. I don't know what this is.
Oh, I got it too.
So this says Summer Glow Guide, exclusive offers inside. This looks like just like coupon codes for different places.
And
linens
sheets and undies and stuff.
And here's what the little book looks like this month. Ignore my very awful fingernails. I was going to repaint them, but I'm like, I really need to take it off tonight because I work tomorrow.
Exclusive promo codes inside.
Ooh. Okay.
Maybe 3 items in the box.
Maybe. So they do come in like this little plasticky, I don't know, it's kind of okay-ish. I don't know what you could possibly do with as many of these as I'm going to end up with. I think it is the same. It looks the same?
Exactly the same.
Yep.
Alright.
So the first thing that's kind of out of there is a 3-in-1 dry texture spray. Volume and refresh, whole dry shampoo meets hairspray. Did that just go flying?
It did. It went far.
So this is from SGX NYC.
I don't know. Everybody's probably like, oh my god, you doing it wrong.
Well, I have a lot of stuff in my hair right now, so I don't really think I need more, but it smells nice. Just smells clean. Let's see if I can find it in here.
Revitalize next day hair. It's instant freshness. Oh, I needed that. I did wash my hair, but I just used like this leave-in conditioner.
I wonder if that's kind of like
soap in it.
Oh, here we go. So yeah, it just says the Do It All Dry Shampoo meets hairspray.
Hold 8 to 10 inches. I did it so far so good. Focusing on roots. Oh, I didn't do that. Massage there with fingertips to absorb oil evenly. Tousle for extra volume and movement. The only problem I have with these things is that when I comb my hair, it has to be damp, otherwise it just frizzes.
Well, you can use your fingers.
Yeah, but that don't make it frizz too. Just put some more in here. Why not? What's the worst that can happen? Didn't I say it last time I put this lipstick on?
Yes.
How's that look?
I don't see any like white cast or anything. So, I don't know. To play with that.
Don't know if it looks any different than it did before, but it smells nice.
Yes, it does. She says.
That sounds like my kids.
Go ahead and pick the next thing. Oh, poop in a biscuit.
I don't know why anybody would want to poop in a biscuit. Okay. A weirdo.
Well, I have to get that somehow. That's...
Just going to go as the first thing on the top there. Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. By Context.
Okay. So this is a ½ ounce. While she plays with it, I'll try to find it in here.
Just going to put all this stuff on.
It says...
I'm trying not to put it underneath my eyes. I actually put mascara underneath my eyes.
Oh, yeah.
You tell?
Yeah. So it says, where has a slightly cooling, never irritating eye savior been all my life?
Oh no, I got out my glasses.
I love using it for midday touch-ups. Just squeeze out a drop and pat it over my 3 p.m. concealer. A few soft taps evens out late day crustiness, wipe away mascara smudges, and generally make my eyes look happy and hydrated again. It's also an Ace makeup base because, ignore the name, it's not a cream, it's a gel. It dries quickly, but not tightly, and I notice slight depuffing and subtle brightening immediately after using it. And your glasses on the floor. You know, nothing new. We're a hot mess. So that's interesting.
Warm, tepid, liquid mess.
Yeah, it's really warm in here right now. It's finally summer. Alright, I'll pull out the next thingy. If I can get it open. I have concealer on, so I don't really want to do that. Oh, really?
I have something from that brand.
Avene?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I just don't understand this, but okay.
What is it?
So this is from Avene, and it's their thermal spring water.
I'm assuming you don't drink this.
No, you do not. I mean, I don't know if it's okay
Soothing
to.
for sensitive skin. Okay.
So it's like a facial refresher.
Oh, I have something from like herbal essences like that.
Do you? For your face?
Yes. It's supposed to make it mattify though. No, I don't think it does.
So this says it's great for soothing hot, irritated skin, aka my face, all summer long. This can is filled with thermal spring water from Avene, France, hence the name. The water there is naturally rich in minerals to help nourish sensitive skin like mine. So,
Soothing sunburn, agentive care, facial redness, diaper rash, various skin irritations, post-procedural care, after shaving, after hair removal, comfort freshness, during complete makeup removal, really? After exercising, during summer.
this says that she uses it in the afternoon when she hits her afternoon slump. It instantly refreshes my makeup and my mood. Sure, why not? I'm scared. It's trying to make my mascara run.
It'll be so beautiful by the time we're done.
So, I mean, it's water. You can spray it on your face.
And we're looking to see if we're refreshed.
I was trying to see if it made my mascara smudge.
It's not just water, is it?
Ingredients.
Oh, gently pat dry.
Water and nitrogen. That's all.
Wow. I want to bottle some water.
Go ahead and pick out the next one.
Floss. My new favorite lip gloss.
Oh, fun.
God, seriously.
Now what'd you drop?
Everything. Alright. Oh, interesting.
Okay. So,
Got a lot of cat hair on there now. The cats are shedding because it got warm out.
oh. It says, I've been hoarding lip gloss like it's $19.99.
I got pink on it for my lipstick.
So,
Anyways, but
says it's somewhere between a balm and a gloss. It makes my lips look healthy, plumped, with a pretty sheen that's more versatile than a full-on lacquer effect. Interesting.
yeah.
I'm going to put it on my hand. I don't really want to put it on my lips. It is
Why
very,
didn't I do that?
it is very clear. At first I thought it smelled like nail polish, but now I think it smells sweet. So, I don't know. That's
sticky?
cool.
That's what I think is important about lip stuff. I do not like anything on my lips that's sticky.
It feels slightly sticky. But it does have like kind of a greasy consistency kind of feel to it too. But when I like rubbed it out, like my fingers don't feel sticky.
Okay. Gotcha. So maybe once it sits there and you rub it a bit.
Yeah. Alright, the next thing, and I have this, I don't think I've tried it though, is from Moroccan Oil, and this is Moroccan Oil Treatment for all hair types.
Oh, cool.
So it's a hair oil.
Apply a small amount throughout damp hair. Style as usual. Okay.
So what's it supposed to do?
Well, usually they kill frizz and make it look nice.
It's silicone based, so even if you accidentally put too much on, it should never be greasy. So it's supposed to
It's very...
tame flyaways and frizz. Interesting.
The Brow Gal.
I'm kind of excited about this. I had something from the Brow Gal before, and I really liked it.
Why does it look like it's got sparkles in it?
So this is in the shade medium brown. Did you get the
Why does it
same?
look like it has sparkles?
I don't know. It does kind of look like it has
Why
sparkles.
would you want sparkles?
Did you get the same shade medium brown?
Well, maybe the sparkles are just on the outside there. Hold
Maybe.
on. Yep, I did.
Packaging feels really nice, actually, and it has a really nice big spoolie on this end. And then, conveniently enough, it has a sharpener built into the
That is
cap.
nice.
I feel like it could work for me, so that's what this shade looks like. This is probably what I'm most excited about in this box. And actually, when I was doing my eyebrows, I just ran out of the eyebrow pencil I've been using, and it's not like I don't have others, but you know.
I really like that thing I got from the Walmart Beauty Box.
Do you? Yeah.
It was a
So,
nice lot.
we got 5 things? No, 6.
Yeah, what was I?
I think this is good. I don't think for me personally this is the most exciting box. I feel like this would probably be more up your alley because it's more like hair care, skincare, lip gloss. Like not super makeup-y heavy.
Water for your face.
What do you think?
I like it. I don't know if I would actually buy this for $15 though. But I like it.
I feel like I've liked the other 2 boxes better, but I still think it's good. No, comparing to like something like Birchbox. Now, we haven't had Birchbox since they raised the price and all of that. I feel like I definitely like this better.
Yeah, I didn't like Birchbox. But, I mean, shouldn't be mean. I didn't hate it, but I didn't find
I'm gonna
it
be honest.
I found it didn't gear towards what I liked very much.
Right. So, no. Kind of fun. I think I'm most excited about
Boom.
the eyebrow thing. So, what are you most interested in?
I think
actually
The hair stuff.
Okay, so that was the Allure Beauty Box for June. If you like videos like this, we would love to have you join us. So subscribe before you go, and we hope you have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye!